Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to basically do the listening practice of English language. And what I'm going to do is basically listen myself because as far I basically speak in the videos, I don't know multiple times what I'm speaking. But so that is why I just want to basically see that movement, like what my mind's thinking about, because it is like very important. If we are getting some sort of things, we need to basically resolve it with a quick span of time, because if we are talking in front of people, that's make fun of us if these things happen. And while speaking, there are some times as well period where we stucks while speaking, so we need to like cover up that thing as well. So let's look out one video which I already uploaded and see like what are the things which I can basically got improved in upcoming days. And so I'm going to pick out one video which is recently uploaded. So this one. Because of that, I just read one books basically, in which I found out like why is the something tips regarding speaking practice basically, and that will help you a lot more comparison to like so just hold a second, I'm just checking out some other videos where I have like spoken out not good, but let's see that one only. Practice. And past couple of days, like this is the one which I'm talking about on the YouTube platform, because I'm having some sort of cold, and because of that my voice is not too well. You can like basically understand by listening my like voice as well. So today video, it is about basically a thing which is I found out very interesting, because I was basically using cue card to speaking on this particular channel, and I have uploaded multiple English practice videos on like speaking on the cue card. But the one thing which is I also do in my free time, which is like just seeing the image, and just there is some sort of image I found out from browser, and just trying to elaborate this picture as much as I can, because that is how we can like our brain works. And I just want to try to basically build a story by watching a picture, and this is a very interesting and very uh, curious things to do basically, because that is how our mind works basically. Because if we are searching for like some sort of things which is actually building a story, so at the end the result is always awesome. So yeah, this is how basically I am practicing nowadays, and just like trying to basically give as much as time to basically English language, because in upcoming days that is become a very powerful tool. If you have, you can basically communicate to everyone, and if you don't know basically don't know about how to speak, how to communicate to others, so you cannot elaborate it what you have basically, you cannot able to elaborate your expertise to others. And if you are hesitating while expressing yourself, so it is challenging for us, because we are not worth whatever we are like capable of. Like people try to think that way basically. If you are speaking fluently, they will tell like they will like judge you by speaking only. There is nothing like that. Your curriculum, your grades, that doesn't matter, I think, as far as I know about industries. So yeah, I basically try to speak on on the major issues which is like happening in today's environment, because I always don't want to basically express myself where I found out that I'm not able to basically give value to others, and some sort of things which is lots of people are using, such as like there's multiple things people's like speaking and working on that. So I kind of introvert person.
So in this time, like I forget like what I'm talking about because I generally don't prepare like for the videos. So that is the main reason, and sometimes like of the topic I go right multiple times. I went in a one video. Basically, this happens. So this is the one thing I'm going to focus about. And the other thing is like basically raising my voice because yesterday, like 2 to 3 days back, I've seen my video, and over that I've just have a solid confidence like I cannot imagine because at the moment it is like feeling like I just grabbed the things which I needed. So in that particular field as well I'm going to work on in upcoming days as well. And for today's video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you like get some sort of point from this video as well. So take it as a learning learning video. Bye bye, have a good day.